This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials. Charge to at least 50% and connect the Poco M3 to a stable Wi-Fi network. Once done, back up photos, contacts, and app data to My Cloud or a PC so you can restore if needed. Next, open Settings and go straight to About Phone, then System Update. This locates official packages. Make sure you have sufficient storage. Delete large files if required, because an incomplete download will stall the process and require a restart. You tap Download and watch the progress bar. During this phase, avoid heavy network usage so the download completes quickly. If an integrity or checksum is shown, run it. This confirms the file isn't corrupted, so installation will be stable. Once the download finishes, the updater usually prepares the package and may reboot automatically. Make sure you keep the device on a flat surface and do not power off. If prompted, choose Install Now or schedule a convenient time to avoid interruptions. You allow the installer to run. The Poco M3 will reboot and apply changes. This can take several minutes, and multiple restarts are normal. After the final boot, verify the new build number in Settings, right arrow About Phone, and open key apps to confirm they function. If something goes wrong and the phone won't boot, try Safe Mode to uninstall a problematic app. If that fails, boot to recovery and perform a factory reset after backing up. This recovery step resolves most update-related boot problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.